The Nutella dessert everyone is talking about. Cut a part of the biscuits. Stir in the mascarpone cream. With whipped cream, put the cream on top of the biscuits. Glue another sponge on top. Place the cookies in the removable tray. Grind the biscuits in the blender. Mix in the ground biscuits. With melted butter, place the cookies in the pan and flatten. Place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Mix some of the cream with Nutella. Pour the mascarpone cream on the base. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Pour the Nutella cream on top. Refrigerate for another 30 minutes. Melt the white chocolate. Pour the melted white chocolate on top. Melt dark chocolate. And decorate the dessert with it. Place in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Separate the whites from the yolks. Mix the egg whites with vanilla sugar and powdered sugar. Add starch and lemon juice. Place the meringue in 2 baking trays. Sprinkle with flaked almonds. Bake for 1 hour. Put ice in the glass. Pour lemon juice, water, Schweppes. Fill the glass with strawberry tea. Garnish with a lemon slice. Mix the mascarpone with vanilla sugar, powdered sugar. Add whipped cream. Put the cream on a meringue top. Grind the strawberries with sugar and starch. Boil the strawberry jam. Pour the jam into a pastry bag. Put strawberry jam. Cover with the second layer of meringue. Spread with cream. Garnish with strawberry pieces. The most delicious dessert in minutes. Cut out a large circle from the dough. Prick the dough with a fork. Brush with water. Sprinkle with sugar. Roast hazelnuts. Finely chop the roasted hazelnuts. Sprinkle the hazelnuts over the dough. Press with the rolling pin. Place the dough on the oven rack. Gently press the voids. Bake for 25 minutes. Mix in whipping cream with powdered sugar. Put the cream on top of the baked dough. Boil the finely chopped strawberries with sugar. Add lemon juice and starch. Grind the jam with the blender in the fridge for 30 minutes. Place the strawberry jam on top of the cream, alternating layers, in the fridge for 25 minutes. Decorate the edges of the cake with crumbs. Cut out a large circle from the puff pastry. Cut equal triangles. Brush with water. Sprinkle with sugar and ground hazelnuts. Press the hazelnuts with the rolling pin. Place the dough triangles on the oven rack. Bake for 25 minutes. Cover the cake with the slices of baked dough. Decorate with strawberry jam. Prepare the batter for the chocolate pancakes. Fry the pancakes in the pan greased with vegetable oil. Place a pancake on the removable tray. Stir in sour cream with powdered sugar and vanilla sugar. Add gelatin soaked in water. Put custard in the pan. Place pancakes in bowls. Put cream and fruit. Top with preserved peaches and cherries. Fill the pan with cream. Cover with a pancake. In the fridge for an hour. Melt the dark chocolate with milk and butter. Cover the cake with chocolate frosting. In the fridge for an hour. In the glass with ice, pour milk and instant coffee. Fill the glass with milk foam. Sprinkle with cinnamon. The famous strawberry dessert. Place the biscuits in the removable tray. Prepare the boiled cream. Add cream cheese. Mix well. Pour some of the custard into the removable tray. Put whole strawberries. Pour the remaining cream. Cover with a layer of biscuits. In the fridge for an hour. Melt the dark chocolate with vegetable oil. Dip the mouth of the glass into the chocolate in the fridge for 30 minutes. Put ice cubes in the glass. Stir in honey with coffee and milk. Pour into glass. Add coffee. Fill with milk foam. The cake that melts in your mouth. Prepare the sponge cake batter. Pour the batter into the baking pan. Bake for 15 minutes. Place the sponge cake on the table. Cut the mouth from a plastic bottle. Cut out equal ovals. Syrup the sponge cake with orange juice. Mix the whipped cream with powdered sugar. Pour orange juice, and mix again. Put the cream on the sponge cake. Boil sugar in a saucepan with orange juice and starch. Fill the cakes with the orange frosting. Cover with another layer of cream. Sprinkle the cookies with sponge cake crumbs. A little secret and the ordinary dessert turns into a masterpiece. Grind the biscuits in the blender. Melt the butter in the pan. With dark chocolate. Mix the cookies with melted chocolate and butter. Place the biscuits in the removable tray, and flatten. Pour milk into the saucepan. Add vanilla sugar, vanilla-flavored pudding powder. Boil the cream while stirring continuously. Pour the cream into 2 bowls. Add dark chocolate to one of the bowls, and mix. Pour the cream alternating layers. Place in the refrigerator for 2 hours. The Nutella dessert everyone is talking about. Cut a part of the biscuits. Mix in the whipped cream. Spread the whipped cream over the biscuits. Cover with another biscuit. Melt the butter in the pan. Grind the biscuits in the blender. Pour the ground biscuits into the melted butter. Add Nutella. Stir. Place the mixture in the removable pan. Mix the mascarpone with powdered sugar. Mix the whipped cream with the mascarpone. Put some of the cream on the base. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Mix the second part of the cream with Nutella. And pour on top. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Pour the white chocolate frosting on top. Decorate the dessert with dark chocolate frosting. In the fridge for an hour. Mix the eggs with sugar and milk. Add flour and cocoa. Pour the batter into the baking pan. Bake for 15 minutes. Mix in the ricotta with powdered sugar and whipped cream. Spread the cream on the sponge cake. Roll into a tight roll. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Make the lemonade. Add ice cubes.